welcome to Nelly Telly. On today's video, I'm going to go swimming with whale sharks. It's about 7 a.m. in Mexico, in Cancun right now. I just had a quick shower and I'm waiting for my shuttle bus. The shuttle ride wasn't that long, it was like 20 minutes. Now I'm here. Just signed my life away with this release form. I have my wristband. I'm just anxiously waiting to get on the boat. I'm not so nervous about the whale sharks at this point. I'm more nervous about getting seasick, as I did in South Africa when we went shark cage diving. I've had a light breakfast and I have some gravel this time, so hopefully that won't happen. I just need a bunch of pills so I don't get seasick. I'm kind of nervous. We just got the whole introduction of what we're going to do. We exit on the boat and we swim with the whale shark, but we try to follow it but stay about 4 meters away from the shark. For about an hour now, for an hour and a half away from Cancun, Mexico. I feel good. The tools are working. I'm so excited. I got so scared because the tour guide said that all the 15 years that this boat has been going out, no one has been eaten by whale sharks. That is great news. Sharks are cute. I can't believe how close we are right now. 2. We are about to go in the water and see the whale sharks. We don't need to worry because they just eat plankton, so it's not going to go after us. And we stay about 4 meters away from them, so we don't touch them, that's a rule here, and I'm so excited. We just saw one from the surface and they are massive. I have my snorkel, my life jacket, and my fins. Let's do this. so close to these massive sharks was such a rush. I loved it. It was so cool. I highly suggest, if you're gonna do this and you're in Cancun, find Mexican whale shark tours. I'll make sure I put a link at the bottom so that you get this, because they are phenomenal, they're professional, they're safe, but they're fun. They also made a lunch for us. They had snacks and drinks, and we got to go snorkeling and just chill on the boat a little bit too. So it was such a great day. I hope you had fun doing this with me. If you liked my video, please make sure you subscribe below and give me a thumbs up. Until next time.